Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Vlogmas Day 11, and today we'll be making a drawstring bag. It's a small bag, drawstring, so you can give it as a gift to your clients and also put some stuff inside. So we'll be using two materials for it. This will serve as the lining and this will stand as my main fabric. Also, if you want to make a more beautiful piece, you can combine 3 or 4 ankaras together. You can combine various types of ankara together and just ensure it forms this big parts, and then you have your lining, which will be a main just one fabric for that. So, and for the drawstring, I'll be using my lining. The lining I'm using is actually what the Duchess fabric. It is so you can use the normal lining, you can use a doll face, you can use a satin, whatever you have available, and you can also use a plain color cotton fabric or ankara fabric, whatever. Or how you want to make it reversible, you can use another ankara for it, however you like it. So that is what I'll be using for my drawstring also. So I'll be showing you the measurement of each piece now. So this is my main fabric and it is 15 inches long. 15 inches long, and for the wideness I have what 6 inches. For the wideness I have 6 inches. So that means unfold like this, I would have 7.5 here, and this will still be what 6 inch. So the same thing I cut for this is what I also cut for the lining, like that. So I'll place the right side of the lining on the right side of this fabric. So right side facing right side. Then I'll sew this edge first on 0.5 inch. I'll sew this edge also on 0.5 inch. So this is it. I've sewn and I ironed to open it up. So I'll be folding it like this. You can see my main fabric here and my lining here. So I've ironed open. You can see that I've ironed opened. So after that I'll be sewing this place. So I'll be sewing here on 0.5. Be sewing here on 0.5. So but before that I'll leave a space here where I'll be passing my drawstring. So from this midline, I'll measure 0.75. This is 0.75. So I'm not sure, can you see where I chalked? Yeah. So from this place I marked, I'll measure 0.5 inch. That's half an inch. Okay, so I'll do the same on this part also. I'll measure 0.75. Then I'll measure what 0.5. Okay, so apart from this now, on this place I'm just going to pick a midpoint here. It could be lower, it could be above. I just need what 1.5 inch. This is to turn out my purse. So I'll measure 1.5 inch. So this is 1.5. You can pick any side, you can measure it here, you can measure it here, just to have an opening to turn out your drawstring purse. So now I'll take to the sewing machine, then I'll sew on 0.5 from here. I'll sew this place down 0.5. I'll sew here to this place 0.5. I'll leave this 0.5 space here. Then I'll sew from here downwards on 0.5. So on this part also, I'll sew from here to this first mark on 0.5. So I'll sew it straight down 0.5. Then I'll leave this space here also. Then I'll sew from here straight down on 0.5. So this is it. I've sewn. So I'll turn it out through this place. After turning it out, I'll take it to the ironing table and I'll iron. So this is the place I turned it out from. I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll top stitch this side straight to this place. So this is it I've sewn. So I'll tuck it inside this place. And see, inside. So this is the hole I have for my drawstring. You can see it. So on this hole, on the upper part now, I'm going to sew round through this upper part like that, round. The lower part also, I'll sew round it to meet the lower part here and to go around like that. So this is just what creating a casing for my drawstring. So you can see, so I have my opening. So I'll take my drawstring now. So I have two pieces of this, two pieces, and it is 26 inches long. So unfold, that's 13 inches. 13 inches. So, and the wideness is 2 inch. Same with this one also. I'll be folding it like this and like this. So I'll take to my ironing table and iron. So I folded one, I ironed. Can see I folded this in, then I folded it into two like this, then I ironed. So I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew on this edge straight down. I'll do the same for this one also. So this is my drawstring. I'll be passing it with my pin. So I'll pass this one here round and I'll also come out from here. So this is it. You can decide to actually leave it like this. You can see I have a drawstring. Yeah. So I'll be passing this one in through this place, through the other side, and I'll come out also here. So you can actually make your rope thinner, as this one seems too thick. Or you can also buy a drawstring rope. I think they sell that also. Let's see now. So it is it. I see that. So I have my beautiful drawstring purse. So if you don't want this to be this long, you can actually reduce it. You can reduce it. And I'll tie this into a knot. So you can see this. So this is it. Ain't that lovely? Yeah. Right. So this is it. This is a beautiful purse. You can use it for earrings, for whatever, any tiny thing you want to keep Or if you are going to buy local market and you want to hide your money, you can hide it inside there, hide it inside your pocket and stuff. So this is a very lovely gift you can give to your clients, and they will actually appreciate it. If this class has been helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys.